Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at a new feature we have added for vehicle details. So let me walk through it. First, go to the settings, then navigate to customer settings, then click on customers. So, previously while adding a customer, you could enter a basic vehicle details such as car make, model, chassis number and car plate number. So now we have introduced a new additional fields to capture more detailed information. So simply click on the vehicle section and you will now be able to add engine type, engine number, year of manufacturing and original registration date. So these additional details will help you better understand and maintain accurate information about the vehicle. Thank you for watching.